Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So I'll keep the video short because I have already explained on the chart of USD what is going on with the DXY. Yes, DXY is extremely bullish, flying, showing no signs of weakness, and right now trading at 102.33. As I have already explained many times in my previous videos that the next big resistance for DXY is 103 level. Okay, so if DXY reverses from 103 level, 102.90 level, then we can expect some sort of recovery on the chart of GBP USD or Euro USD or any other USD pair. Okay, but as of now, DXY is not showing any signs of weakness. So be careful, and further downside also possible on the chart of GBP USD or Euro USD. Okay, so please keep your one eye on the chart of GBP USD and sorry, DXY. And now let's look at the chart of GBP USD once. So this is the weekly chart of GBP USD, and right now GBP USD is standing at a very critical level of 1.2550, and we have seen that GBP USD has reached this level by breaking many critical levels. So as a result, we cannot trust the level fully, 1.2550. Though market is standing at this particular level here, but we can see that market is standing in this level for the last 8 to 10 hours, but still there is no sign of bullishness. There is no sign of recovery as of now. This is the main reason why fundamentals dominate the market. When fundamentals dominate the market, technicals fail, and this is the harsh reality. If you simply focus on the technical levels only, if you simply trade on technical levels only, then trading will be very hard for you. You must trade with the fundamentals as well as technicals. So fundamentally, GBP USD is bearish right now. Sellers are dominating the market right now. As a result, you should be looking for selling opportunities technically on the chart of GBP USD. Okay, this is how you use both the fundamentals and technicals. Fundamentals decide the direction of the market, and then technicals come into the scene. Technicals help you to enter and exit from the market. Okay, if I take you to the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 92% retail traders have taken long position. It means that 92% retail traders have taken buy, and they are hoping for a trend reversal. And the average long price, you can see 1.2928, and right now market trading at 1.2583. Okay, so market is almost down by more than 300-400 pips, and they are still hoping that market will reverse from here. So as I've already said, that 1.2550 is very critical. Okay, yesterday I told, remember, if you have watched my video, yesterday's video, we made a bearish flag here, and I told you that there is a possibility of market breaking the level, going down. We have a similar situation today also. So again, we have a bearish flag here. If market breaks this level and starts falling, you can again take a selling position. But make sure that if you have an ongoing buy position, you have exited as well, because GBP USD is not very positive right now. Okay. This is an article I was reading in the morning, and things are pointing towards downside. Experts are also of the opinion that yes, dollar will remain bullish because of the ongoing crisis in the world. Okay, whether you consider the war between Russia and Ukraine, whether you consider the coronavirus pandemic. Okay, so everything is pointing towards an upside on the US dollar. So if DXY remains bullish, then obviously GBP USD will be under pressure. Okay, so this level of 1.2550 will be very important. If you already have taken a buy position in this level, okay, if we have a buy position in this level, then you can be on the trade. If market breaks it, please exit from the trade. Okay, and you can take a sell position as well. And if you're looking for a fresh opportunity or fresh trading position in the market, then I'll suggest you that once you find that market is crossing this level 1.2550 and going down, exit. Also not exit, okay, take a sell position on the market. Okay, but as of now, personally, I'll suggest you that you should be avoiding any buy position on GBP USD. If market shows some kind of bullishness also, or few green candles also, then also you should give at least one day to the chart of GBP USD, so that you get the proper confirmation of a trend reversal. Always keep in mind that for a trend reversal we need a V pattern. Okay, and right now we do not have any clarity, any confirmation regarding the trend reversal. So as of now, okay, market is still very much bearish, market is still very much under the dominance of sellers. So therefore, following the only rule of the market, that is the trend, we should be looking for selling opportunities only. And again, we have a bearish flag here. So as a result, I'll suggest you that if market breaks the flag and starts going down, we can take a sell position. But just make sure you use proper risk management, and you, because any good trade setup may fail. My analysis can be wrong as well, but it's your responsibility to protect your hard-earned money and capital. So follow proper risk management. Bye bye. Take care.